What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So today, I've already reacted to Laika, Nawi, and Jazz's Grand Finals medley performances. Right now, kahit hindi nakapasok si Marko Rudio, magre-react pa rin tayo sa kanya kasi nga sabi ko, I also like him as a performer. Magaling din siya na artist and magaling yung mga areglo niya sa mga performances niya. So this is Beep Beep. And sabi pa sa comments na pumiyok daw siya. So let's find out kung gaano ka severe yung pagpiyok niya, no? The severity. But I do believe, I'm still expecting this one's going to be a great and explosive performance from him. So let's jump right into the video. Let's go.
Beep, 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 beep. Sabi ng tsuper ng jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Tabi kayo, baka kayo'y maipe. Sakay na kayo kahit hanggang kanto.
Haha.
Beep, 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 beep. Nag-aantay na ang pamilya. Wow! Sakay na kayo kahit hanggang kanto. Ang buhay na tsuper ay ligaw ang piling. Sumakay, 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 at dadalhin ko kayo kahit saan. Sakay na kayo kahit hanggang kanto. Ang buhay ng tsuper ay ligaw ang hero.
Okay. Okay. Hindi ako nakapagsalita, man. Ang dami din pumapasok sa isip ko. And I was really concerned about his vocals, no? Yung umpisa pa lang, nung nagtry na siyang mag-falsetto, I was really hearing strains na already sa kanyang boses. Alam ko na he was not okay vocally. And makikita mo naman sa mukha niya, sa body language niya, na he was not really comfortable. I believe the song choice is also one factor dito sa performance na to. I know that he is very creative, and I know that he always want to give us something that is new kahit classic yung kanta or kahit alam natin yung kanta. He always wants to give us flavorful, flashy, performance. Okay, an epic performance in terms of creativity and vocals. The good thing about this is, I don't know if sadya ba yun, yung mga growls niya, or his growls were also affected by yung vocal strains, no? Or yung stress ng boses niya. And it was really very obvious and evident that he wasn't really okay with this one, no? And I think for me, yung song choice, hindi siya pang grand finals. Yun yung para sa akin. It was more like of a very risky performance for me, to be honest. Or siguro, dahil he wasn't okay vocally, siguro that wasn't the best na nagawa niya sa kantang yon. If siguro he was vocally okay, well rested yung boses, he was 100% vocally okay, siguro he could have done this way better, no? But given na lahat sila namamaos na, no? Lahat sila namamaos na, lahat ng grand finalist namamaos na dahil sa kantahan, sa semis, laglagan and all that until sa grand finals. No, that is the fact na inevitable, no? Na hindi talaga maiwasan na mamamaos talaga sila. And yung piyok niya sa last part, it was very obvious. But the good thing is, he tried to get back to the note, no? Kung saan siya pumiyok, nagtry pa rin siyang mag-stretch at least to end the tail tone at the right note, no? But it was really obvious na he was vocally not okay. And kaya pala hindi siya pumasok sa top 3, no? Understandable naman maintindihan naman natin, no? But again, this is grand finals. Regardless of your condition, physically, mentally, emotionally, even spiritually, regardless of your condition, you will be judged by your performance. And that's the reality of it, no? Alam ng mga judges na he is a great vocalist. He is a great artist, a great performer. But again, the reality is, he will be judged, or contestants will be judged according to their respective performance. So, yeah, it was unfortunate, very unfortunate, but that's, that's how it works, man. Sa competition, make it or break it. Risk it or just do nothing about it, no? Ganun talaga. But again, congratulations to Marko Rudio for still a job well done. Nakaabot ka sa grand finals, and I personally expected you to be in the grand finals, and you made it. And that's a great achievement as well. So, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Bye. Peace.